Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to my screen and thank you for joining me. On this video, I am here to analyze the market EURUSD and GBPUSD and also predict the next market move. So without wasting much time, let's proceed with the analysis. One more thing before I proceed, if you come across this video for the first time, please smash that subscribe button right there so that when next I drop a video, you will get notified. Now, let's proceed with the analysis on EURUSD. Now, right here, as you can see, EURUSD has been bullish. This is on a 4-hour time frame. I start my analysis. My main trend is on a 4-hour time frame, and my execution. And also on the time frame where I execute is on the 1 hour. But sometimes I do everything on the 4-hour time frame right here. So now let's proceed. Now looking at this trend, we can see that EURUSD has been massively bullish since a long time ago. It has been trading to the upside, creating consecutive series of higher highs and higher lows, and also it has been breaking structure and also changing character like that. Now right here, now looking at this immediate trend right here, let's start from here. We have a change of character right here, because this was a push to that side, and this was a low. This was a high that was taken out, giving it a change of character. We have a break of structure. We have a break of structure. We also have before then we have a break of structure. We have a break of structure. So right here we have a change of character right here. Market shift, and I take that again. Now right here we have a change of character. We have a bust, we have a break of structure, we also have a break of structure right here. So this low right here that should be protected, price came and closed below it price came and break below it with a candle body, giving it a change of character. So now when that happened, that prepare us that we have a potential market shift, but unfortunately price push back up again, creating a double change of character. And what does the double change of character means? That it means a change in trend. Price is shifted from the downside back to the upside. So now it has shifted again to the upside. So now we continue pointing to the upside. So now we have a double change of character. We have a break of structure. We have a break of structure here as well. And also this low and this high right here. Price came, break it, giving it a change of character, break of structure, and we have a change of character right here. We have a change of character right here. We have a break of structure. So now we have gotten the high and we have gotten the low, and this is the immediate chart position where the price action is before the market closed last week. So right here now, this is the high and this is the low right here. So what do I then do? What do I do? I bring out the fib from this swing low to this swing high to get the fib other block level are a zone where the smart money traders place their orders in large amount. So after inducing traders, and price went against them and tapping to the other block level, and price should continue buying to the upside. So right here now, as we can see that price is currently inside the other block right here, and this is looking like a potential buy opportunity to the upside. And the next level target right here, is this level of resistance right here. This is the potential level that price is heading to. So right here now, hopefully when the market open, I expect price to continue pushing to the upside if indeed this level is going to hold, if indeed this other block level is going to hold. So what do I then do? Bring out my long 2 position. Measure it from this level right here, the low, the stop loss level should cover this low. This low should be protected. If price action did not hold, I take that again, if price action did not hold on this other block level, if price should drop down and break above and break below this low right here with the body, that will signify a market shift. Price has been trading to the upside, and as you can see, if price action should come right here, break below this low right here with the body, that will signify a shift in trend. So right here, if I will go long on this market right here, I need to ensure that this level right here will hold by seeing more price action candlestick to show me that yes, indeed, price is likely to go up. So right here is either price push to the upside or price break this low right here and sell down. So now if I also pop out the trend line to see if the trade, if we might see a potential change in trend. Now just like we can see on this chart right here, we have the first touch point of the trend line, we have the second touch point of the trend line, and we also have the third point of the trend line. So as you can see, with what I'm seeing right here on this chart, we might have a shift in trend right here. If price action should break out of this trend line, right here, we might have a shift in trend. So right now it's either price hold on inside this other block and buy to the upside, or price action break right here. So for me, what I will be looking at is that I will observe price action to see if price should break, if price will break this low right here, or price will push to the upside. And also we have I've also third point of the trend line, make it a valid trend line. So right now I take that again, we have the first touch, we have the second touch, we have the third touch point. So right now, like I've said, with what I'm looking at now, I'm predicting like 60% price action, 60% price should break down, and predict, like I'm using the probability of that price should break out of this trend line 60% and 40% to the upside. So right now I'll be observing to see the likely move right here on price action when the market open. Is either price push to the upside or push to the downside. If price action should break and close below this low right here, this line right here, this low right here should be protected. If it should be taken out with a body of a candle, that means that we have a market shift to the downside. And also this trend line as well, if this trend line also should be taken out, we have a breakout right here of this trend line. This tells us that what, yes, indeed, price is likely to push to the downside. So right now, this is my bias on EURUSD. This is my bias on EURUSD. Is either price break or close below this outside here, then I will look forward sell opportunities. And if indeed price should hold inside this Fibonacci order block right here, then I will take the risk to the upside. So that is that on EURUSD. So now let's look at GBPUSD too. Both pairs are both bullish. GBPUSD and EURUSD and GBPUSD are both bullish. As you can see, we have a long time bullish trend on both pairs right here, and up till now they are still bullish. So right here now, mapping the structure right here, we have okay, let me start from here. We have a change of character right here, we have a break of structure. Let me zoom out so that it can be bold on the chart. We have a break of structure right here. Let me adjust that properly. We have a break of structure right here, change of character. This high right here that you protected, price came, break above it, and give us what, a change of character to the upside. We have a boss break of structure, we also have a break of structure, we have a break of structure, and this low right here, price shifted to the downside, giving it what? A change of character. We have a break of structure, we have a break of structure, we have a break of structure, change of character, price push back up again, breaks, give a change of, give a what? A change of character right here as well. After this shift of character, we have break of structure, price push back again, give a change of character, it still switched back down, back up again. We have a double change of character. Like I've said earlier, double change of character signify a word, a change in trend again. Price shift to the downside, change of character. It now says switch again. This high right here that should be protected. Price came, attempted it, and closed with the body, giving it a change of character. That means that what? Price has shifted back up again. So right here now we have a double change of character. We have a break of structure right here as well, and this is where it is. So now this low right here, we have a low, we have a valid low, and we also have a valid high right here, and price came. This is a low, this is a high. Price is expected to what? If I use the fib level from this swing low to this swing high, so this swing high, I expected price to tap here. I expected price to come into this fib level order block right here and continue buying to the upside, but unfortunately that did not happen. This low that should be protected, price came, break and close below it with a body, which signifies what? A change in character. Which signifies what? A change in character. This is a change in character. This tells us that what? Price has shifted from the upside back down to the downside. So what we are going to look for right now is what? Is sell opportunities right here now, and also this become a low, this become the valid high, and this become the valid low. So what do I then do? I bring out the fib and measure it from this swing high down to this swing low, and as we can see, price, as you can see, this is the fib level order block where I'm expecting price to tap in and continue selling to the upside, to the downside. So right here, before price comes here, I expected price to create a liquidity. Liquidity is the money that will flush down this price to the downside. After creating the liquidity, it needs to what? To also induce traders to enter the market. To say it has to create a liquidity. After creating the liquidity, it will induce traders to sell. The early sellers, after a few piece, price will go against them, take out their stop, and price will come right here and sell. So now I'm expecting price to do something like this. This is a double top. Not necessarily the price action must do this. It needs to what? This is a double top. Price will create a liquidity right here. It will induce traders to sell, and price will go against them, tap in right here, and sell this market to the downside. So as you can see right here now, my prediction on GBPUSD is that since price has given a change of character right here, and this is a high and this is a low, so price action should come to this level right here and sell to the downside. And also price might still not come here. It can just do something like this, breakout. If this low should be taken out, then I will enter for a sell position on GBPUSD. So now let me also bring out the trend line and also see if this trend line is if this is about to be taken out. Let me adjust the screen properly. Okay, good. Now from this low to this high right here, we can see that there is at least 60% chances that this trend line will be taken out. There is 60% chance that we might see a breakout of this trend line right here. Look at it. We have a change of character right here, pointing to the downside. We have a market shift, and also this trend line, we have the first touch of the trend line, we have the second touch of the trend line, and also have the and also price is currently reacting on that trend line. So we might see a breakout of this trend line right here. So if that should happen, I will go in on GBPUSD at least if that should happen, at least GBPUSD should sell for like 200 pips. GBPUSD should sell for like 200 pips, for at least 200 pips. It should provide 200 pips at least before what? Before pushing back up. At least it needs, if GBPUSD price should break out of this trend line right here, GBPUSD should provide 200 pips. Done. So ladies and gentlemen, like I've said, both GBPUSD and EURUSD, I'm looking at sell opportunity on both pairs. GBPUSD has given us, is looking like it's going to break this trend line. EURUSD is still not sure, but at least both on both pairs, I'm looking at sell opportunities on both pairs, provided that this trend line is broken, is taken out. Then I will look for sell opportunities. So right now, if you watch this video to this very end, please smash that subscribe button right there, and also if you come across this video for the first time, please smash that subscribe button right there, so that when next I drop a video, you will get notified. So thank you for watching, and bye for now.